You're trying to finish a research paper, a thesis, or a detailed academic project, and suddenly you realize you need to summarize dozens of papers, extract key insights, and understand complex studies fast. That's where SciSpace Literature claims to help, an AI-powered tool that promises to break down research instantly. But in 2026, is SciSpace Literature truly the way to go? Welcome to GigaBits, where we analyze the most popular AI tools so you know which ones are genuinely worth trying. Today we're putting SciSpace Literature to the test. I spent days researching SciSpace Literature, testing its features on real academic papers from multiple fields: medicine, engineering, psychology, computer science, and more. I analyzed how well it summarizes studies, extracts methods, identifies limitations, and explains complex sections. I also compared it with traditional reading workflows and other AI academic tools to see whether SciSpace Literature actually saves time, or just adds another step. After dozens of tests on PDFs, research articles, and high-level papers, I found consistent strengths, and also some important limitations you should know. SciSpace Literature advertises some bold claims: instant AI-powered paper summaries, breakdowns of methodology, findings and limitations, explanations of complex sections in simpler language, citation assistance, and research organization, a faster way to complete literature reviews. The promise is that you'll be able to understand academic papers in minutes instead of hours. It sounds incredible, but does the tool truly deliver on that promise? And more importantly, does it work well enough to rely on for academic or professional work? Let's break it down. Step 1. Summary accuracy. In most tests, SciSpace Literature produced clear, concise summaries that captured the major goals and findings of each paper. For high-level scientific texts, it delivered understandable explanations without losing meaning. However, for extremely technical papers, the AI sometimes simplified too much, leaving out nuanced details. Step 2. Methodology and results extraction. The tool did a good job identifying the core methodology, sample size, and testing procedures. It correctly highlighted experimental design and statistical models in many papers, but in some cases involving advanced mathematical methods, the explanations were less precise. Step 3. Identifying limitations. This is where SciSpace Literature performed surprisingly well. It accurately pointed out limitations that authors list in the discussion section: sample bias, small datasets, or weak generalization, and often summarized them more clearly than the original paper. Step 4. Complex section explanations. One of the standout features is the "explain this" function. When applied to dense paragraphs, the tool simplified technical jargon into readable, student-friendly explanations. This is extremely helpful for newcomers in academic fields. Step 5. Research workflow integration. Importing PDFs is easy, highlighting works well, and the interface is clean. The tool is most helpful when dealing with long reading lists or tight research deadlines. However, it shouldn't replace reading the paper entirely if your work requires deep analysis. Step 6. Reliability and limitations. SciSpace Literature is powerful, but it's still an AI assistant. It can misinterpret graphs, oversimplify equations, and occasionally miss secondary findings. For academic writing where precision is crucial, users must double-check the AI's output. So, is SciSpace Literature the way to go in 2026? If you're a student, researcher, or professional who needs to digest academic papers quickly, SciSpace Literature is absolutely worth trying. It's one of the most time-saving tools available today. But if your work requires deep technical accuracy, you'll still need to read and confirm the original study. Think of SciSpace Literature as the perfect assistant, not a full replacement for your own analysis. If this review helped you understand whether SciSpace Literature is the right tool for you, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We review the most important apps and AI tools every week. Hit the like button if this breakdown helped, and tell me in the comments what field you're studying or researching. Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we help you choose smarter tools and work more efficiently.